लाइफ एक रेस, अगर तेज नहीं दौड़ोगे तो कोई तुम्हें कुचल कर आगे निकल जाएगा।
लाइफ में कितनी भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो ना, उसको बोलो कोई बात नहीं चाचू, सब ठीक ठाक है, ऑल इज वेल, ऑल इज वेल।
उड़ती पतंग सा था वो।
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
सर ये सबसे चूतिया सवाल है सर।
एवरी चाइल्ड इज स्पेशल। ये कोरी बकवास है, तू कोई यूनिक पर्सनालिटी नहीं है। ये प्रॉब्लम्स हर साल हजारों बच्चों के साथ होती है।
5 साल बाद जब अपने दोस्तों को गाड़ी खरीदते अपना घर बनाते देखोगे तो आपको कोसोगे।
मैं नहीं कर सकता ये सब।
नहीं पढ़ना है मुझे, फॉर्म नहीं करनी आईआईटी। मेरा जो मैंने वो ना करूं मैं।
पापा आपको कैसे पता अगर आईआईटी नहीं करेगा तो कामयाब नहीं होगा?
एक अकेले एटॉम पे कितने सारे मॉडल। पहले पढ़ेंगे डाल्टन्स मॉडल, जैसे ही समझ में आएगा बोलेंगे ओ ये तो गलत है।
और मैं आईआईटी में पढ़ रहा हूँ इसलिए मुझे दिख रहा है कि आप उसके साथ क्या कर रहे हो। आईआईटी नहीं करेगा, ये आईआईटी करेगा, बस नहीं करेगा नजाद।
The number of engineering graduates in India every year is approximately 10 lakh. India doesn't need that much engineer for a 3 trillion economy, which is mostly service based. Even most of the engineers can't code properly, which again they get service based job in TCS where the salary is peanut. Now there is IIT where students get placement but mostly in analytics and software. Some crack CAT and went to IIM and they're mostly doing good. Rest engineering graduates from other colleges don't know what they have learnt in whole 4 years. According to some statistics, India annually produces 1.5 million engineering graduates every year. From a report on Times of India says that 3% engineering graduates in India get high quality tech job related to their domain with an average package of 8 to 10 lakh per annum. This is because we are producing much more engineers than we actually need. Actually, engineering is overrated, but engineers are still underrated in India. Every year, you will notice that applicants are increasing, vacancies are reducing, and cut-off is still increasing. You must know the record of the candidates, how many of them pass, how many of them get good marks, and how many of them are getting selected in NIT and IITs. I don't need to tell you the exact record, I think you already know. Students are doing engineering because they want a job, but mostly of them are not passionate about the learnings. Students are taking admission in XYZ colleges where XYZ professors are teaching XYZ syllabus. In these roadside engineering colleges, they are hiring sasta professors because they did not want to spend more money on hiring good professors because their main motto is to get maximum profit. They are selling degrees, not real learnings, and students are also not making effort. I must say they are not guilty, but they are trapped in the system. And after completing degree, they are able to know about it that what actually job market is looking for, and they have no idea. आप chronology समझिए. College opens on XYZ highway. Hired professor who demand less money. They are mostly who has not any skill of getting a job. I horrified that what skills they are impacting on their students. Advertise 100% placement and call students personally. That world is here. Where are you? Type of students taking admission here who have not cleared any of the entrance exam. मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर बनेगा. And other peer pressure like this. कर ले बेटा बहुत स्कोप है. Joined Ellen, Fitzy, Agas, many of the XYZ coachings, but did not got the required rank. So what to do is equals to join Mahabharat Engineering College as an example. Do one day study, pass the exam. Because no interest in learning. College is over. I did not know what I studied here. Syllabus is outdated. Professors are outdated. In fact, college is also outdated. If we compare the average salary of a professor of an engineering college in India is 7 lakh per annum. Whereas the average salary of a professor of Harvard University has $226,000 per annum. Taking admission to lower fee colleges results in having an engineering degree only. No placement and job offers. The only problem is mindset. For a skillful job, anyone who wants it should invest 6 months to 1 year on any single skill. Companies don't expect you to have a ready-made product from the day zero. They just wanna see if they can use you. Just make sure that you upgrade regularly. Don't you think instead of caste, everyone who is economically weaker should get an equal opportunity? Is the only reason why so many Indians with potential to flourish India leave the country and work for another country. Unemployment unemployment is a worldwide problem, but definitely for maintaining the development. A developing country like India needs employment. Lack of skills in Indian youth, lack of confidence, idea to begin their own companies and businesses is also the reason. The main reason of unemployment for mostly of the engineers is the lack of social skills, especially the communication skills in the youth. The employers who hire these engineers expect the engineers to speak fluently in English language with global clients. But the problem is that majority of the students are from Tier 2, Tier 3 colleges and also from rural area and villages who do not have good speaking English. Because of this reason, 97% of the engineers can't speak English fluently. This is one of the main reasons for unemployment. Another most important reason why most of the engineers in India are unemployed is because there is a clear mismatch of demand and supply in the market. You should know that any economy or business will run on the basis of demand and supply. For example, the value of gold, diamond and Bitcoin is very high because the supply of it is very less. But when it comes to engineering, there is a huge supply but not that much huge demand. This is because we are producing much more engineers than we actually need. The problem is not with producing more engineers, problem is with producing bad engineers. The reason of more supply of engineers in India are students follow the herd mentality without thinking of their box in the career. Students lack of their career guidance, choose engineering even if they have not interest in it. Parents' pressure and peer pressure is also a huge thing why most of the students opt for engineering. Students are not willing to take other risks by choosing other career which do not guarantee a job. Engineers are willing to work for any job they get, for any salary package, which is even the salary package that company offer is so low. Actually, engineering syllabus in India mainly focuses on attendance and assignments. Lack of motivation on the part of our students. Demotivation is a pretty common word for an engineering student. Most of the engineering students are a bunch of gullible and demotivated students. Only a few cope up with the pressure that a 4-year rigorous course offers. It is always at the back of the students to have a job after the 7th semester. After the pandemic of coronavirus, the demand of computer science has increased. Even nowadays, all computer science engineers are called as engineers and civil engineers are known as Mistri. The engineering colleges and educational institutes still give a lot of emphasis on marks and memorization. There is a less emphasis on practicality and real-life application of learning and importance of skill. Because of this, if even the students get good marks and good grades in academics, but when they come out from the college and get into a company, they will perform poorly because they do not have an real-life experience and many practical knowledge about the subject. And engineering graduates don't have any necessary skill in order to get an employment. Students are seeking job, wandering here and there, paying consultancy fee and what not, and then starting preparing for government exam. अब UPSC क्लियर करेंगे, अब तो कलेक्टर बनना ही है. Then state PCS, then भाई clerk ही बना दो. And even no one is interested in offering clerk job, क्योंकि ये पोस्ट तो रेफरेंस से भरी जाएगी. And that roadside colleges again welcoming you. Where are you? Give me your youth life so that I can destroy you. And student of that college is becoming professor of the same institute and saying that अब अपन सबको इंजीनियर बनाएगा. जो आउटडेटेड सिलेबस अपन की खोपड़ी में भरा है वो दूसरों की खोपड़ी में भी भरेगा. The ones who spent their whole engineering studying textbook and learned everything whatever college taught them but never tried to learn anything outside from the college. They have really good CGPA and their concepts are also very good but within the syllabus of university. There are 4,000 colleges across India all producing 10 lakh engineers per year, but for every single job 300 members are competing. The ratio increases every year due to the previous year unemployed. The Indian economy has experienced a slowdown in recent few years, which has reduced job opportunities and led to job loss in many sectors. Some engineers may live with area with limited job opportunities, making it difficult for them to find work in their field. In some industries, there may simply not be enough job opening available to absorb large number of engineers to stand out and find employment. During economic outturns, companies may cut back on hiring or lay off workers, leading to higher level of unemployment among engineers. These are all the important reasons why majority of the engineers in India are unemployed. By the way, I am also second year computer science engineer. Do let me know what are your thoughts about engineering in India. Write down in the comment section below. And also do share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel to receive notification whatever I publish in the future.